Now I am going to revise the critical but complex chapter, that is National Income Accounting, Abhi Sarkar. So, the discussion will be helpful for you for the examination and for understanding also, because if you don't follow this class, it will be difficult for you to understand the calculation. From the very beginning of this lesson, I am going to discuss. Kindly follow this. Try to follow this. Only Saurabh Mitra is there. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, Saurabh. Just I am waiting 2 minutes for the other student if they attend. Otherwise, as per your request also, national income I am revising. I am going to revise. Okay? So, rather macroeconomics. Revision. National income accounting. The board is visible? Is the board visible? Yes or no? Please write or tell me. Is the board visible? No, sir. My God. What is the reason, sir? Now is it visible? Yes, I think so. Yes, I think the board is visible. I think that now the board is visible. No, sir, not visible. Why? It is visible now here. Uh, now? Now? Sauradev, is it visible now? No, I think not. Now it is visible. Sauradev, is it visible now? Please write or tell me. सभी चले गए जॉइन कॉल কি হচ্ছে not visible কি হলো? Is it visible now? Present one. Now? No. কতক্ষণ চলবে করে? হ্যালো, আমি তোমার একটু ভিডিও হচ্ছে তো বলছি না। হ্যালো সৌরদীপ, হ্যালো সৌরদীপ, ইজ ইট ভিজিবল? Is it visible? Are you hearing me? No. Add one layer. কি বলছে কেউ নেই না এখানে? Expertise. হ্যালো সৌরদীপ, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলছে ফোন কন্ট্রোল, ঠিক আছে চলে যায়। So, national income is the sum total of the income earned within the territory of the country and net factor income from abroad, that is national income. But gross domestic product is another concept. Total production of a country in different sectors of the economy within the territory of the country in a particular financial year is called gross domestic product. So there are 8 methods. There are 8 methods which are visible now. National income accounting, GDPMP. Number 2, NDPMP. Then number 3 is GNP MP, and number 4 NNPMP. 5 GDPFC. Number 6 GNP. Okay. Number 6 is NDPFC. Number 7 NDPFC. Oh, MDP হয়েছে number 6, তাহলে number 7 হচ্ছে GNPFC. GNPFC and 8 NNPFC. So these are 8 methods of calculating national income or domestic income, gross domestic product. There are 8 methods: GDP at market price, NDP at market price, GNP at market price, NNP at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost, gross national product at factor cost, and net national product at factor cost. Perhaps you know that what is the difference between MP and FC. MP means market price, FC means factor cost. How can you convert market price into factor cost? It is the question. How can you convert market price into a factor cost? You know that on goods and services, the government imposes tax, and these taxes are called indirect tax because the tax is not directly deducted from the income of the incumbent. Here, the original taxpayer and the payee of the tax to the government is different. The original taxpayer and the taxpayer to the government is different. Therefore, indirect tax is charged by the sellers from the buyers. But sometimes subsidies are given. Subsidies are given to the buyer by the government sometimes. So if subsidies are deducted from the indirect tax, then we will get net indirect tax. Net indirect tax, that is NIT. Net indirect tax, that is NIT. So if net indirect tax is added with the factor cost, if net indirect tax is added with the factor cost, it will be converted into market price. It will be converted into market price. So here is the difference between national income accounting by market price and factor cost. Factor cost means the cost incurred by the producer for producing that commodity or service. What are these costs? These costs are the cost for the 4 factors of production. You know it. I have discussed it so many times. If you have any confusion, you may ask, please. So GDP-MP, that is gross domestic product at market price. That is sum total of the product produced within the geographical territory of the country and calculated by the current market price of the products, then you will get GDP-MP. So GDP-MP means the gross domestic product at market price in a particular financial year. And NDP-MP means net domestic product at market price. So NDP-MP is equal to GDP-MP minus depreciation, So GDP-MP minus depreciation is called NDPMP. What do you mean by why it is depreciates? Because if anyone uses a particular commodity or use natural land resources also, with the use of that capital, it depreciates due to normal wear and tear and or loss or accidental damage, etc., etc. And it depreciates the value of the commodity. It depreciates the value of the commodity. Suppose you have a computer, if you use it year after year, in each year it will depreciate, and after 8 or 10 years it will not be usable due to depreciation continuously during the past period of time. I think it should be clear. Now, NDPMP means GDPMP minus depreciation. And GNPMP, it refers to the market value of final goods and services produced during a financial year plus NFIA, that is GNPMP is equal to GDPMP plus NFIA. NFIA means net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad. GDP means only the value of the goods and services are calculated which are produced within the domestic territory of the country. But if we add the net factor income from abroad with GDPMP, then we will get GNPMP, that is gross national product at market price. Gross national product at market price. How can you calculate NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad? It is the difference between the total value of export minus total value of imports of goods and services in a particular financial year. So, I think it is clear. I have written it on the board. So, you must follow it. Then, number 3, NNPMP. NNPMP. It is the market value of final goods and services produced during a financial year exclusive of depreciation. That is, NNPMP is equal to GDPMP minus depreciation plus NFIA অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি যে জিএনপিএমপি মাইনাস ডেপ্রিসিয়েশন, অথবা বলতে পারি এনপিএমপি মাইনাস ডেপ্রিসিয়েশন, এটাও বলতে পারি। ওকে, is it clear, or you want something more, some more explanation? What is your question? Have you any question regarding this? So, NNPMP is clear. I think number 4 is clear. Then GDPFC. GDPFC means gross domestic product at factor cost. So GDPFC is equal to GDPFC, gross domestic product at factor cost. It is equal to W plus R plus INTT plus profit. So GDPFC means wage plus rent plus interest plus profit. That is, all the factor costs are added here in order to get GDPFC. Lekha hai GDPFC. Okay? So GDPFC means COE. COE, that is compensation of employees plus profit. So GDPFC, we may again write GDPMP minus NIT. মাইনাস NIT, কারণ আমরা কি জানি এমপির সাথে NIT আছে, এফসির সঙ্গে NIT নেই। সুতরাং জিডিপি এমপি থেকে যদি আমরা NITটা মাইনাস করে দিই, যদি দরকার হয়, তাহলেও আমরা কিন্তু GDPFC পাবো, উইল গেট ইট। নাও নাম্বার 6, NDPFC, that is NDPFC is equal to NDPFC, sorry, দুবার লেখা দরকার, is equal to GDPFC minus depreciation. মনে রাখবে, যখনই গ্রস থেকে আমরা নেটে আসবো তখন ডেপ্রিসিয়েশনটাকে মাইনাস করতে হবে। গ্রস থেকে নেটে আসার সময় ডেপ্রিসিয়েশন মাস্ট বি ডিডাক্টেড from the value of gross. So GDPFC থেকে আমি যদি depreciation minus করি, we will get it. And GNPFC is equal to GDPFC দেখো উপরেই আছে, GDPFC plus NFIA. So domestic এর সঙ্গে ন্যাশনালের ডিফারেন্সটাই হচ্ছে NFIA. NFIA is the difference between domestic income and national income. So NFIA is the factor which is used in order to calculate national income, and NFIA will be subtracted if we want to calculate domestic income. Now NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. কারণ আমি যখন ডোমেস্টিক থেকে ন্যাশনালে যাব, NFIA-টা যোগ হয়ে যাবে। So these are the common 8 methods of accounting national income. If you have any question regarding this part, discussion of this part, you may ask, please. If you have any confusion, then you may ask, or write no sir, or if not, please write yes or no. If you have any confusion, write the question or ask me directly. Is it clear to you? Please write. Is it clear to you? May I remove the board? May I remove the board? Saurodeep? Saurodeep, you are here, I am sure that you are here. Please. Tell me if you have any question, if you have any problem. So I am removing it. Yes. Yes, sir. Now, nominal GDP, the formula of nominal GDP. Nominal GDP is equal to Q into P. Q into P. Q is the quantity of final goods produced during an accounting year. And P is the prices of the commodities during the prevailing year. So Q into P is the nominal GDP. Q into P. Q is the quantity produced and P is the prevailing price of that current year. Prevailing price of that current year. Now, real GDP. It is one. Number two, real GDP. That is real gross domestic product is equal to Q into P star. What is the difference between nominal GDP and real GDP? Only in place of P you will get P star. P star is equal to key. P star is equal to price prevailing during the accounting year. P star is equal to P is equal to price prevailing during the accounting year, whereas P star is the price prevailing in the base year, prevailing in the base year. In the base year. In the base year. What do you mean by this? Price prevailing in the P means P is equal to price prevailing during the accounting year, prevailing during the accounting year. During the accounting year. P, here is the difference between P and P star. P, the price prevailing during the accounting year. Suppose you are accounting national income, considering the present income, a present price prevailing in this year. এই বছরে জিনিসপত্রের যা প্রাইস চলছে সেটা দিয়ে তুমি অ্যাকাউন্ট করলে। আর পি স্টার হচ্ছে কি পি স্টার প্রাইস প্রিভেলিং ইন দ্য বেস ইয়ার। সাপোজ yes your price has increased, your price has increased from 2000 to 2020. The price which was prevailed in 2000 is not recurring or not continuing in 2020. Okay? Thank you.